Here we have a quick walk-around demo of a Toyota Sienna with a VMI Summit wheelchair accessible conversion. This conversion offers reliability and usability with industry-leading interior space and headroom. This conversion has a power fold-out ramp. The usable height of the door opening is 57 inches and usable width is 30 inches. The interior of this van has plenty of space for more maneuverability, which can allow a wheelchair user to make a full 360-degree turn without any obstructions. One-touch controls via the dash button, key fob, or Toyota sliding door buttons deploys or stows the ramp system. The front driver and passenger seats are removable to accommodate wheelchair users to drive or ride from almost any size wheelchair. The ramp has 2-inch high side rails for extra safety entering and exiting the vehicle. The ramp can accommodate large wheelchairs with a weight capacity of 750 pounds. If you would like to visit us or would like a mobility consultant to bring this conversion to you for a demonstration, contact us at your local Superior Van and Mobility or visit superiorvan.com to schedule an appointment today.